Hey you all, Michael Grant, President of Albion Plumbing Rooter Incorporated, located in San Leandro, California. We perform all phases of plumbing, residential and commercial. We do full service plumbing, hydrojetting your sewer line, changing your toilet, changing the washers in your faucet, unclogging your shower drain. We change our garbage disposal. We go anywhere that the problem is, whether you're having low water pressure inside the house, we unclog the aerators. We change the old galvanized pipes and put new copper pipes in. We do water heaters, new water heater. We also service water heater annually, changing the anoid rod in your water heater, make sure your water is clean. We started in 2007, myself and Raymond Walters. And doing mechanical, fixing all kind of machinery, I believe that gives me an advantage to troubleshoot and diagnose any plumbing issue that you may have. In 2007, we started with 2 trucks. Now we have over 14 both trucks, tractor, service vans, every kind of plumbing equipment you can believe of, because we believe that the sky is not the limit. Raymond and I started this business together, and we continue to grow in this business with over 12 employees now. We did a major sewer lateral replacement for the North County Oakland jail. So we put a camera down the sewer line, and we realized that the camera was not getting to the sewer main. We sent our snake in there to snake it, and when we pull the snake back, we're cutting roots. And we realized that the line was plugged up. And that was on a Friday evening. We went back on Saturday and we tried all day to clear that line. We realized that it was not going to be cleared. We gave them an estimate to replace the sewer line. The county signed off on it, give us the contract to execute it. The lateral was 22 feet deep down below grade. I mobilized my crew and we went out there and we excavated that sewer all the way down to 22 feet. We open trench it and we put the new sewer line. It is an 8 inches trenchless line that we pull right through and reconnect it down 22 feet. The city inspector came out and inspected and passed it. We backfill it and compact it and get the jail up and running in no time. The jail and the courthouse, the service is unmatched. Whether your faucet leaking, whether your bathtub drain is clogged, whether your kitchen sink is clogged or your garbage disposal, trust me, we're gonna be there in a timely manner. We answer a phone, we give you a time to come out there, and we're gonna be there in no time. Look for the red, white, and blue trucks coming out there, and guess what? We're gonna deliver, because we guarantee that when we come there, we give you a free estimate to start the job. But once you give us the okay, when we leave, you're gonna be your sewer or your plumbing, anything is gonna be working better than before, because we believe in doing it right the first time. Whenever you need plumbing, call Albion Plumbing Rooter. I guarantee you,